Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis, may go love. But that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming back. Hey, hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have a single review on the new Juliette Has a Gun Banana Rush. So if you're interested in seeing what my thoughts or hearing what my thoughts were about this fragrance, just keep watching. So if you're not new to this channel, you know how we do around here. So is this fragrance versatile? I don't think this fragrance is versatile, and we'll get into the occasion. I think this really is for maybe fun, like a fun occasion, maybe like a carnival. I do have a carnival lineup coming up because I've seen some fairs going on, and our fair is coming up. So yeah, we're going to be on brand with that. So if you have a carnival coming up, something fun or a fun vacation, maybe at a kind of fun adventure place, I think this fragrance will be really good for that. I don't know, a quick grab and go every day. I'm not sure that this would be like your quick grab and go every day type of fragrance. Definitely carnival, something fun, something outside, outdoorsy would be kind of the vibe or the occasion I would pick for this fragrance. Now, packaging. I love the packaging. Actually, it kind of gives this ombre to me type of look, from like yellow to orange to brown and in between. I love the packaging, actually, and it's the same packaging as every Juliette Has a Gun brand. They just kind of do it up with the color of the packaging, but I really particularly like the packaging. Now pricing, if you're wanting like the full bottle, it's about $150. If you go on Sephora, I particularly got the travel size so that I could experience it at $34.99. So that is the range of the pricing. Now, does this lean more feminine or masculine? Honestly, I feel like it will get more into it. If you like banana, then it's your fragrance, whether you are male or female. If you like a banana noted fragrance, honey, it's you. It's all about you. So this was launched in 2026, so this is their newest release. And so now let's get into the notes. Yeah, let's get right into it. So top notes, we have maple syrup, we have banana. Middle notes, we have frangipani, coconut. Base notes, we have vanilla and sandalwood. All right, so we got the notes out of the way, we got all the deets out the way. Let's get into my real thoughts, shall we? Yeah, let's. So my real thoughts, as you all can see, this is almost gone. So your girl has been testing it, trying it before she came to the channel to get my full in-depth thoughts on this fragrance. Now, when I say this smells like a now and later banana candy, that's what this is, okay? Because I was going back and forth from like, is this like Laffy Taffy banana, or is this like something else? Girl, this is now and later, okay? Because now and later banana candy smells very strong, okay? If you are familiar with that candy, strong, all right? I don't like banana candy. Let's just start off. I don't like banana candy. I don't like none of your banana candy. I don't like the runts that look like a banana. I don't like the now and later banana flavor. I don't like the Laffy Taffy banana. I do not like banana Laffy Taffy flavor. Now, that is not my thing, okay? Side quest. So this smells exactly like, to me, a now and later banana candy. Now, would I purchase a full bottle of this fragrance? Even with this travel size, almost that. No, girl, I'm not purchasing this fragrance. That full bottle, like, I'm going to leave it for somebody else. I'm going to leave that $150 in my pocket. I'm going to leave that for somebody else to get. This fragrance is for banana lovers everywhere, okay? And I'm not saying I don't like a banana flavor or a banana, no, I don't like banana flavor. A banana noted fragrance. I'm not gonna say I don't like that, okay? I do like a banana noted fragrance. I have banana note fragrances that I love and adore and like best thing since sliced bread. But when I tell you, this is banana, okay? If you have never smelled banana in a fragrance, this is the banana. And that maple syrup is sapping it up real good with the banana. Girl, this is banana. It's like when I smell this, I don't even like, I get a little bit of the yellow floral, like the frangipani in it. Okay, great. Girl, I don't smell none of the coconut. I don't. You might. I don't smell none of the coconut. Girl, it is banana. It's moderate of projection. It doesn't like reach the masses. Now the longevity of this, which I did appreciate. It did not last long. But honey, if I were to get this, or if this were to be gifted to me, I would have to wear this fragrance with something else. Alone? No. At one point, I thought this was too sweet for me. And you know me, too sweet. What that look like? Who that? It was very stagnant. I didn't get any like layers to this. Like, okay, do something else. No, banana. Okay, let's try it again. Do something else. Like, it just kept giving me banana. So yeah, that's my thoughts. I will not be purchasing this at full bottle. I liked it pairing it with some things, but it by itself, yeah, no. But will you be using up this swallow? Absolutely, I'm going to use up this swallow. And one thing I say about even the projection is, girl, I kept having to spray so I could smell it. Like my hand was the overspraying was overspraying. But even when I oversprayed, I said, ooh, stop. It was one of them, stop spraying, please. Please, cut it out. So, I did not enjoy this fragrance. I love Juliette Has a Gun fragrances. Okay, I like them as a brand. Don't get it twisted. This just wasn't my scent profile. This wasn't my thing. But this is for somebody because y'all are buying it. Y'all putting y'all coins on it. So it's for somebody. It just wasn't for your sis. Girl. But let me know your experience. Did you have something totally different than I? Did you love it? Let the fam know. Did you not like it? So let me know your experience down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on Banana Rush. And it's definitely a rush of banana, okay? Name perfection. Well, fam, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, you better tell them. Yo, sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.